I'm back. Now, I am going to show you how to prepare candy yams. Now, I got a potato peeler, and I am peeling my yam.
T-Mobile will do the math for you. Right now, when you join T-Mobile, you get 2 lines unlimited with 2 of the latest phones you need for just $100 a month.
You know, I used to, when I was real young, I used to peel it with a knife. And I discovered, my mom kept trying to tell me, but it never worked for me. But as I got older and had to cook more, I find it very quick to use a potato peeler. There we go. This here is a potato peeler. Now, I'm going to clean this up and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I cut up my yam, and now I cleaned and rinsed it. Now I'm dicing it.
And so they can actually foul the rest of the half to keep Syracuse from getting up the shot.
You can use your knife or whatever is convenient for you. This is convenient for me.
First down in that game, Louisville made 11 threes. Virginia made none. And Virginia, which was down 10 at the half, came back to win by 12. So now both the Roos and the Heels are both 12 and do need to win tonight because newsflash, Virginia is really good. The only losses coming to Duke this season that team is just spectacularly good defensively. And DeAndre Hunter is a really outstanding player. It's so much fun to watch him play. He was spectacular today against Louisville. 6-7 for the win.
Okay, almost done.
Shot clock turned off. Syracuse ball up 3 late in the first half. We have to be mindful of Syracuse getting into a shooting motion.
This is the end, please. So, all right, now I'm gonna put these in a bowl and rinse them real good. Trying to get away. Rinse them off real good. And then we're gonna put them in a pot, a saucepan. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. Now, I'm gonna rinse them off. I'll go to the sink real quick. Doesn't take long to rinse them off. I wash the potato before I begin to peel it. Now, I'm going to bring you over here. Let me get my camera straight. Okay. I apologize. Now, got them in my saucepan. Now, I've never really measured it, but I say I'm going to put maybe a fourth of a cup of water. Maybe not. That's only one potato, so I just have to eyeball it. You got a very little water in there. And I'm going to Move this over. It's a little hot. We're gonna move this over. Here. Turn the fire on. Now, ingredients to candy yam. Let me stir my macaroni up. Almost ready. Turn the fire down a little. Now, to my yam, I put nutmeg, sugar, and butter. Okay. I'm going to put I'm going to put a half a stick of butter. Yeah, I love butter. Nah, I'm going to put 3 teaspoons. Oh. I'm going to chop it up in here like this.
You know, Virginia outscored Louisville like 38 with 4 points in the paint. Well, they allowed Louisville to make 30 points in the first half. That was not the case in the second.
And then I'm going to just shake some nutmeg in. Let's say a teaspoon, tablespoon. Excuse me, guys. A tablespoon. And the sugar. I'm going to put in a half a cup of sugar. And pour half a cup of sugar. Now, I'm going to put this on a low fire because those potatoes are kind of thick. And you do not want to cook them too fast. And you want the flavors to savor through the potatoes. Now, I'm going to put a lid on here to help keep the heat inside so it won't take so long to cook. Let's see. And it should take about anywhere from 10 to 13 minutes for it to fully cook. And when I'm done, I'll be back. My macaroni is almost ready, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Now see that? And the potatoes are definitely done. I'll show you in the saucer. But can you see the juice? The candy? That's the candy to the yams. Hold on. I'm going to get... all my saucers are used up. I'm going to get a piece of potato. Now see how moist they are? I just took them off. Hot, but good. I taste the butter, the sugar, the nutmeg. I taste it all, and it is good. Told you I taste everything I cook. Now, I want to show you my dinner for this evening. I have my cornbread, my short ribs, my mac and cheese, my potted greens, my yams, and my deep fried chicken. And that's what my family is about to chow down on. So, thank you for, let me turn that off, I'm done. Thank you for viewing my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, view, put the notification bell on, like, and I'll be bringing more videos to you. And I love you guys for viewing me. Until next time.